am ready to retire, because the future of tourism is in very, very, very safe hands. So in advance, I will be congratulating the next Junior Secretary of Tourism 2025, and whomever you are, and whomever the Secretary will be next year. Do not ever forget where you come from, and do not ever forget that you don't only represent yourself or your school. You are flying the flag of this little island called Tobago very high. Fly it loud and fly it proud. I thank you.